Hello everyone, my name is Pai and I would like to demonstrate my wiki project. And this is my internet page, and here is the list of my pages: CSS, Django, JIT, HTML, so on. So we can build the DT, CSS, and HTML. Here is my not found page. I can go back to home. I can also edit the entries. Yeah. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, copy. I will submit. Here, I will recheck the zip. Okay, it changed. I will let, and also I can add a new page here. Let's call PHP. Okay, I will copy again. Wait. Okay, get it. I will submit. I can see here PHP. Okay, I will. Here is the search bar. I will take PHP. Okay, JIT. Okay, I will take Hongpao SS. Okay, not found. I will take S. So you can see the TypeScript and see the CSS page. Okay, I will Hongpao B. Okay, we can see PHP and Python here. And then here is my runtime page. Okay, I will click here. Click again, and again. Okay. Thank you everyone.